From Las Vegas, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, February 3rd. A Princess ship had to undergo further deep cleaning after multiple gastro cases were reported on board. The Sky Princess, which returned to Port Everglades on Sunday, had already implemented disinfection measures during its previous voyage. Well, during the turnaround, the back-to-back guests were required to leave the ship while additional cleaning took place. No official CDC report has been filed at the time of broadcast, as cases may not have met the required threshold. The Sky Princess has since departed for its next sailing. And Carnival Cruise Line has confirmed that guests cannot connect video game consoles to stateroom TVs. Yeah, responding to a passenger inquiry, brand ambassador John Heald stated that TV ports are blocked for operational reasons. Now, while consoles won't work, guests can bring handheld gaming devices or just play online with an internet package. It should be noted that unlimited spending opportunities are still available in the arcade. And Disney Cruise Line has canceled the Disney Treasure stop in San Juan, Puerto Rico for this week due to those ongoing pier repairs. Now, the ship will spend the day instead and visit Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point on February 6th. Passengers will receive a $250 onboard credit as well as refunding those shore excursions. Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas has also been skipping San Juan since November because of the same issue. It's still unclear when the pier will be ready for larger ships. And cruise stocks were down on Friday. Carnival Corporation down 2.8%, 27.67. Royal Caribbean down 3%, 266.30. Norwegian down 2.5, 28.35. And Viking down 2, 50.63. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Here in Las Vegas, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Monday.